Is your rice taking longer than my last relationship? Rice sticking, undercooked. Guests staring like it's culinary crime. You waste time, burners, and dignity every busy night. What if I told you 30 cups in 30 minutes? Meet my secret weapon, SYBO commercial rice cooker and warmer. Yes, 30 uncooked cups. About 60 servings served fast. 30 minutes. That's faster than your morning espresso line. 3D heating? Think 360-degree warmth, hugging every single grain. Built-in insulation belt keeps heat locked like Fort Knox. No cold centers, no gummy clumps, only fluffy perfection. One-button design. Press once. Pretend you performed culinary magic. Auto switches to warm so rice stays guest-ready, always. Durable stainless steel exterior handles, kitchen chaos like champion. Thickened aluminum alloy inner pot for lightning-fast heat conduction. Non-stick inner pot, water measuring lines. Cleaning becomes pleasantly illegal. Inner pot dimensions fit massive batches, 12 by 12 by 6.5. Perfect for restaurants, canteens, cafeterias, caterers, institutional kitchens. Also doubles as food warmer, soups, oatmeal, mac and cheese. Safety certified, ETL, CE, HS. Professional peace of mind. Our warranty, 30-day refund, 1-year replacement, no sweat. Base dimensions, compact but mighty, 13.5 square, 11 high. Imagine line cooks smiling instead of plotting rice rebellion. Meal service flows, ticket times drop, boss actually nods approvingly. Setup is one button. Training takes less than 90 seconds. This isn't culinary theater. It's dependable industrial performance. Stop babysitting rice. Start running kitchens like a pro. Your secret's out. SYBO is the new kitchen flex. Order 1 or 5. Your weekend prep will thank you. Click the link, upgrade service. Watch rice and tips stack. Punchline, less rice drama, more rave reviews. Chef mic drop.